joining us for another edition of Now with PT. In this episode, we'll show you ways to shorten deployment times, optimize virtual resources for processing more orders, and more. Let's talk first about CRM applications. They can help companies improve sales and marketing. PT tested a CRM application on the dense Dell PowerEdge FX2 and took advantage of its rich combination of compute and storage options. This compact solution not only saved space in the data center, but also delivered reliable performance. Have you ever wondered how you can adjust your company's virtual infrastructure to process more online orders or transactions? In another study, we used VM Turbo Operations Manager to help optimize a large-scale environment. The flexible and scalable infrastructure of a private cloud requires reliable hardware for support. We recently published a deployment guide that details setup and management of a Lenovo and Red Hat private cloud solution. Let's go to Dan, who'll tell us about his experience.
So we set up a compute cluster using Lenovo servers and switches, and then use Red Hat OpenStack Director to deploy private cloud. Then we set up a business application on that cloud. We found using the Lenovo xCloud Administrator was an easy way to administer the bare metal servers that comprise our cluster. And then with Red Hat OpenStack Director, we found it gave us a flexibility that we could add and subtract servers from our cluster and have them do different things, whether it be a kind of controller or actually do computational work. And that flexibility was really important as your needs change. This combination using Lenovo hardware and software, as well as the Red Hat OpenStack Director, was a really nice way to get started using clouds. It gives you a quick entry into creating a small cluster or large one as you grow, but can get you started so you can understand how this works and how it can benefit your organization.
Great info, Dan. Thanks. Our experts found that pre-installed Microsoft OEM products really do make deploying Dell PowerEdge servers a faster, easier, and less expensive experience than doing it by hand. In other Dell server news, our experts tested database performance on the PowerEdge R630 against a competitor. We found that the R630 finished a data warehouse workload faster and offered more than double the storage capacity for your important data. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time on Now with PT.